In 1860, Mendel publishes the paper Experiments in Plant Hybridization versus Overpopulation as the prose of the first experiments. Heredity: transformation of trait from parents to offspring from generation to generation. Base of the picture is that the first generation used the pattern of the tutor. Trait Mendel study in the peel plants. One of Mendel's experiments. Plants without root seeds were crossed with the plants that had wickel seeds. All plants in the first generation had round seed. First, second, third. Look at a hybrid. Mendel principle of dominance. First is the dominant trait is the only one that show up in the first generation when through breeding organisms reproduce. The next, the receiving trait trickle seeds reapers in the next generations. Mendel's FP2 data, seed shape of shape seeds and presents and ratio. Round 5,474, present is 74.7, ratio is 2.96. Nickel is 1,850, present is 25.3, ratio is 1. Total counted is 7,324, 100%. The receiver trait reapered in the F2 generations. The biggest genetics lingo. Homologous chromosomes have the same version or allele of each gene when an organism is homologous from the trait. Equal Mendel first law equals segregation. In today's language, first allele of gene separate during missions and the up is different gametes. Another of the Mendel's experiments, plants without smooth yellow seed were crossed with plants with wrinkled green seeds. All plant is the first generation had smooth yellow seed. First is yellow plus green hybrid and the first is smooth yellow seed. Middle F2 data. Seed type and of seed and ratio. Yellow round is 359 ratio. Round green is 108, ratio is 3. The yellow is 1. The Two seed type, round, green and yellow, we have seeds that the same ratio. Neopinopies were observed in the first. Middle second law, independent assortment. Alice for one generations. Middle law. Segregations, independent assortment. Middle's particulate theory of inheritance. Unlike Alice Coast variations, offering inherit one copy of a gene from each parent, these alleles can be dominant or recessive. 4 copies of each gene segregate into different gametes. Last gametes pose randomly. Mendel experiments is the first experimenter of John Giving Gore.